Good morning. What can I get started for you today?
Hi, can I get a medium hot latte, please?
Sure. Medium hot latte. Anything else today?
Yes, can I also get a butter croissant?
Sure. Would you like me to warm that up for you?
Yes, please.
Perfect. I'll get that heated for you. Anything else for you?
No, that's everything. Thank you.
Your total is $7.50. You can tap here.
Thank you.
Great. We'll have that ready shortly.
Hi, how can I help you today?
Hi, I'd like to deposit this check and also take out some cash.
Sure thing. How much would you like to withdraw?
$200, please.
No problem. And could you sign the back of the check?
Of course. Here you go.
Perfect. Here's your $200. Anything else you need today?
That's all for me. Thank you.
Here's your receipt. Have a great day.
Thanks. You too.
Hi, what can I help you with today?
Hi, I need to send this package, and I also want to pick up some small shipping envelopes for my online shop.
Sure, how many shipping envelopes do you need?
5, please.
No problem. And for your package, do you want standard shipping or express?
What's the difference? How long does each take, and how much does each cost?
Standard is about 5 to 7 days and costs $8. Express is 2 to 3 days and costs $18.
I'll go with standard, please.
Great, you're all set.
Thank you so much.
Hi there. Need help finding something?
Yes, I'm looking for this bread I usually buy, but I don't see it.
Let me check in the back. One moment.
Thank you.
Sorry, we're out of that one today.
Oh no, that's the one I always get.
The good news is another brand is on promotion. Buy two, get one free. You can mix any types as long as they're from the same brand.
Really? That's nice. Okay, I'll try these ones then.
Anything else you're looking for?
Yes, actually. Where do I pick up avocados?
Avocados are in aisle 3 on the right side.
Perfect. Thank you.
Happy to help.
Hi, what can I help you with today?
Hi, I need medicine for a runny nose and a bad headache. Do you have something for that?
Yes, we have cold and flu medication. Do you prefer pills or liquid?
Pills, please.
This one works well. It helps with both symptoms.
Thank you. Do I need to take it with food?
It's better if you do, yes.
Okay. And does this make you drowsy?
Yes, this one can make you sleepy.
Oh, do you have something that doesn't make me drowsy?
Yes, we have a daytime version that keeps you alert.
Great. I'll take that.
Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you so much.
Hi, picking up or dropping off?
Both. I'm picking up a shirt, and I also want to drop off this jacket for cleaning.
Sure thing. Name for pickup?
Emily Coleman.
Let me check. Here it is. And for the jacket, just regular cleaning?
Yes. How long will it take?
About 2 to 3 days.
Sounds good.
Would you prefer a call or a text when it's ready?
A text, please. That's easier.
Got it. We'll text you when it's ready for pickup.
Hi, welcome in. Eating here today?
Yes, I'll eat here. Thank you.
Great. What can I get started for you?
Not sure. What do you recommend?
Our grilled chicken panini is really popular. We also have a fresh catch of the day if you want something lighter.
Oh, fresh catch? What kind of fish is it today?
Today's fresh catch is pan-seared sablefish with a light citrus glaze.
Ooh, that sounds really good. But I think I want something warm and filling. I'll go with the chicken panini.
Great choice. Want to make it a combo? It includes a side and a drink.
Sure. What sides do you have?
Soup, salad, fries, or fruit.
Salad, please. What dressing do you have?
Caesar, balsamic, ranch, or lemon herb.
Lemon herb.
And your drink?
Something not too sweet. Maybe sparkling water?
Perfect. We'll bring it out to you.
Thanks.
By the way, today's dessert special is warm apple crumble.
Oh, wow. Maybe after.
Sounds good. Hi, looking for anything today?
Yes, I want a new jacket for winter.
We have a few options here.
I love this one. Do you have it in medium?
Let me check. I'm so sorry, we're out of medium in that style.
That's okay. What about this other jacket? Do you have it in medium?
Yes, do you want to try it on?
Sure. Oh, this fits really well.
It looks great on you.
Thank you. I also need a pair of pants. Do you have these in my size?
Let me look. Yes, we have it in medium.
Awesome. I'll take it.
Perfect. If you're all set with those, I can ring them up. Or if you'd like to try anything else, like a scarf, sweater, or blouse, just let me know.
Yes, I'm all set with these. Thank you.
Great. I'll ring these up for you.
Hey, you're finally home. Long day?
Oh my gosh, yes. I've been running errands all day.
You must be tired.
I am, but do you want to go out for dinner tonight?
That sounds perfect.
Great. Let's put away the groceries and get ready to go out for dinner.